Hello everybody, welcome back to Garden Time with Kate. It's a little bit drizzly but we're still outside and we're going to have a really nice time on this Manufacture Monday. On Manufacture Monday today we've decided to make a bird feeder. Now we are doing a really simple design which is on the RHS Schools for Gardening website if you want to look it up and do the same one as us. Got an old plastic bottle which we're going to use as the main part of our bird feeder. We've got a Stanley knife, we've got some child scissors and some adult scissors. Obviously really sharp, children need to be supervised at all times with these ones. And I wouldn't recommend that you give a child a Stanley knife to use, that's just if an adult needs to help make any holes. In here I've got some seeds or some food that I'm going to use in my bird feeder. So these are just sunflower seeds. Hey Len! Hi! Ready?
Mum's coming too.
So Len, when you're using scissors you've got to be really careful because they're really sharp, okay? So we're going to cut out this circle here, can you see it? Big circles. I'm going to make the first hole using my Stanley knife very carefully and then you can do all the cutting around. There we go, can you see that hole? You put one part of the scissors in that hole. That's it. That's it. Good. Good job. Good cutting. That's it. Keep on going. Tricky, isn't it? That's really good. Keep on going. And this way, down this way. Yes, that's right. Well done. Keep on going. Yes. Yeah. Great cutting.
Well done.
Great cutting then. Keep on going. So good. Make sure you got what you're doing. That's it. Really good.
You almost did it, Kate.
We almost have done it. You're right. This bit's already cut. We need to cut up here now.
You can do it, Len. We believe in you.
Yes. Keep on going.
Yeah.
Yes. That's it.
So nearly finished.
Oh, it's so tricky, all this cutting.
You're doing so well.
I'm doing so well.
You're doing so good. You're almost there.
Oh, I can't do it.
Yay! You did it! So now when the birdies come to eat their food, they can pop their head through this hole. That's cool. So the next thing that we need to do, Len, which I think I'm going to do just because it's really tricky, is I'm going to make some holes just in the bottom here in case any water gets into our bird feeder. Then it can drain away and our bird feeder won't fill up with water.
Can I cut the string?
Absolutely you can. So that string we need to tie around the top so we can hang it up.
Can I cut that string?
Absolutely.
Yippee!
Yippee! How long would you like to cut it?
This way.
That one. That's it. Well done for remembering how to hold the scissors. Yay!
I cut it.
Put the food in. Do you know what food this is? This is sunflower seeds. Wow, well done. Keep on going. Oh, yes. Perfect. So if I hold it, do you want to tie the knot? That's it. So you've got to cross them over. So if you cross this one over the top of this one, round the top, that's it. That's it. Yeah, all the way over. That's it. And then if you poke that loose end, yeah, that's the one. Pull that one and poke it up here. So you're going to go all the way over and up from the bottom up. That's it, up there. Yes, that's it. That's it. And then pull it through. Yay! Len did a knot. Well done. And then the same thing again. So you cross the loose one over the top. That's it. And then up through that hole. Up through here. That's it, you can do it. It's a bit tricky. Yeah, that's it. Pull it tight. Len! Well done! You did your own knot! Good job! So now we can hang it up. Do you want to pick a tree? Which tree?
A purple tree.
A purple tree? Right. Can you tie it all the way around and then can you put that end through this loop here where my finger is? where my finger is. That's it. That's it. That's it. And then with the other hand, can you grab it and pull it tight? That's it, pull it really tight. Good job. And then we're going to do the same thing again. So, all the way around. That's it. And then poke it back through the back of there. We should go through the front actually. Ooh. That's it, through the back of there. Through there, that's it. And then pull it really tight. Oh, watch your hand there. That's it, curl it up. Yay, we did it!
Now the birds.
Now the birds can come and eat.
Can peck.
They can peck at the sunflower seeds. Nice, good job, high five. Yes. There we go, that was a really simple tutorial on how to build a mini bird feeder. Len and I recycled a plastic bottle to turn it into a bird feeder to feed the birdies. We filled it up with some food and we've now hung it out in the tree, ready for the birds to come and eat it. Thank you to Len for taking part today. You've been watching Garden Time with Kate and we'll see you tomorrow for a Thoughtful Tuesday.